taken a look at Economic Development Organization profiles, or EDO profiles, on the new U.S. National Site Selection Portal, zoomprospector.com. Now, one of the nice things about zoomprospector.com is that it includes automatically data on every single community in the nation. Let's take a look at one of them over here. In this case, we put the name of the organization, and that will bring up the community of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You'll see that it's mapped over there, and you can scroll down to find all this key information and data points that are included automatically in this really engaging infographic that we've included for every community in the nation. The nice thing about this, of course, is that these images tell stories about your community in ways that are much more compelling than if you just looked at long lists of text on their own. One of the other things that you'll notice is that there's the ability to review and make comments about different kinds of communities as well. Now, a nice thing about these reports, of course, is that you can choose to include contact information. And to do that, you need to open up an EDO profile. Now, it's very easy to do that. You can go over to Promote Your Community, that tab on the upper right-hand corner. There's a 30-day free trial. You put some credit card information in there, but your card will not be charged before that 30-day period is up. And if you are a Zoom Prospector Enterprise Full Edition client, so you have our GIS site selection tool directly on your website, then having an EDO profile is included as part of your package. Let's take a look at what an EDO profile looks like. Click on Economic Developers at the top, and then you can actually search or just scroll down to see all of them. In this case, let's take a look at the Georgia EMC, Economic Development Organization profile. We start off with a map of their service territory, and if you scroll down, you'll see that their contact information is easily available over here on the right, and in fact, there's a form that also allows people, businesses, or site selectors to get in touch. They have chosen to include a slideshow of different images on the top, and there are social share links over here on the left that allow you to visit their website if that's something that you'd like to do. In fact, many businesses and site selectors do choose to do that, but there's also something built in over here so people can reach it that way. One of the things about EDO profiles is that they function as keyword-heavy microsites for your organization. Effectively, this is another way for businesses or site selectors to find you online because this is all indexable by Google. So they have added some information in the description over here, and you'll see that that appears elsewhere on this EDO profile as well. Now, if you are in an EDO that serves a variety of different communities, those will be listed over here, and you can actually click on any one of those to get the specific data infographic about that community on the side as well. That makes it very useful for the larger EDOs. Now we've got this infographic over here, similar to the one that we've seen before. It's full of those key data points, and it gives us all sorts of information about the community within that service territory. But you'll also notice that there is the ability to add customizable tabs. In this case, Georgia EMC has added customizable tabs about some industry clusters that are really important to their service area. That includes aerospace, automotive, and more. Again, all of this is keyword index text that Google will be able to use to find you. Links are also possible, so you can go through from there directly to a page on their website if that's something you want to show. In this case, they're showcasing the important industry clusters related to aerospace within their service area, and this uses our intelligence component, our mapping intelligence component. Let's go back and see what other kinds of tabs they've chosen to include. They've also put an About Us tab, and that allows you to include an image. You could also include video if that's something that's of interest to you, and some more information. Again, all of this fabulous keyword text that is easily indexable by Google. And in fact, you'll see over here that they have actually chosen to also include a video. We invite you to check out the different EDO profiles that are available on the U.S. National Site Selection Portal, zoomprospector.com. You can scroll down and see all of the different communities that are now found by businesses and site selectors online, and take a look at the kinds of content that they have chosen to include in. For more information on how to set up an EDO profile, check out our video that can walk you through the simple setup process. You can be up and running in 5 to 10 minutes. It's that easy.